Well, I'm back home to clean out this messy garage. But if you're ever traveling and off I-10 going east, west, north, wherever you're going, and you see Buc-ee's, stop by and get this beef. It's a chopped beef. It got turkey and it got sausage on it. Check this out. Me and my wife picked one up yesterday. It's unbelievable. Check it out.
Make sure it's going. Yeah.
Chopped beef. What's that? Chopped beef, sausage,
And turkey.
and turkey. Zoom in on that. It's at Buc-ee's.
Mmm.
Let me try them.
Tell the people how it really tastes.
Wow.
Now put my sandwich down.
That's real good. I'm gonna take one more bite.
No, I'm messing with you. Mmm.
Oh,
That shit
you
good.
don't have to.
You was recording me, wasn't it?
Yep, Buc-ee's.
Damn, man.
Oh, sorry.
Big messy.
Oh, you frowned up. Yeah, that's real messy.
But it's
He
good.
said it was gonna be messy.
Mm-hmm.
Well, let me eat my sandwich.